a certified coach, author, trainer and NLP practitioner.
And my name is Maurice Ellington, and I'm also a certified coach and NLP practitioner. The name of the workshop that we will be delivering is called Moving Through Change.
This workshop is going to give you, the practitioner, the opportunity to use the diagnostic tool to apply this against the problems that you see within your clients are having, to enable them to find solutions and to assist them through change.
Throughout the workshop, you will be practically involved and practicing some of the tips and some of the solutions that we will be teaching you, so that by the end of the workshop, you can implement those in your own practice.
We look forward to seeing you on the day.